Hi everyone, my name is Sankalp Zighad. I'm a Senior Strategic Marketing Engineer at Analog Devices, and today I'll talk to you about condition monitoring solutions. Did you know that downtime accounts for 25% of the total manufacturing costs? So it is essential that the industry measures the asset health continuously and in a reliable manner to enable sustainable and more efficient manufacturing. Analog Devices is helping our customers enable a more sustainable manufacturing industry by enabling continuous measurement of the asset health. Today, we are demonstrating our Galileo platform, which is showcasing our MEMS technology and the 10BASE-T1L MAC-PHY technology. Our MEMS sensor enables high quality, high accuracy vibrational data measurement, and our 10BASE-T1L technology can allow you to transmit data and power over the same shielded twisted pair, and you can get bandwidth up to 10 megabits per second, and you can use a cable length as long as 1 kilometer to reliably transmit your data and power. Now my colleague Henan will explain to you more about our demo.
Hi, my name is Renan de Padua. I'm a System Applications Engineer at Analog Devices. Here we have this demonstration of our condition-based monitoring solutions. We have our Galileo device, which is based on our Analog Devices technology, the MEMS 3-axial accelerometer for vibration sensing. So we are simulating one type of common faults in industrial motors, which is the imbalanced fault here with these nuts and bolts. And as we turn it on, our system can gather this data and properly identify it before a major fault or a critical fault occurs. This way we can do scheduled maintenance and avoid unnecessary costs and downtime. We are showcasing here today this wired solution, which is based on the Industrial Ethernet 10BASE-T1L that can go up to 1 kilometer of distance, carrying both data and power over a twisted single pair cable. We also offer wireless solutions, including Smart Mesh and Bluetooth Mesh. To know more about this, visit analog.com/cbm.